All right, so last week I was working outside 9-hour days in the 95-degree Nashville heat. I picked up a pack of Liquid I.V. and blasted through them in the first few days, and honestly, I'm just cheap, and those things are crazy expensive. So I did some quick research, found a DIY electrolyte drink, and I'm not just saying this for the video, I actually found this concoction way more effective, and you're saving about, I did the math, it's 80% cheaper to do it this way. Give or take, it costs about 50 cents to make a 2-liter batch of this versus $4 to make a 2-liter batch with Liquid I.V. or something you buy from the store. Okay, so you get it. The big call to action, save money, stay hydrated. Win-win. Now the step-by-step. First, 2 liters of water, half teaspoon of salt. The internet says Himalayan salt or sea salt. 6 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can use freshly squeezed or from a bottle. 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. This is just for taste and carbs. And then half tablespoon of baking soda. Quick rundown on this and why it's important. Salt gives you sodium, lemon juice, potassium, and flavor. Again, the honey or maple syrup is for flavor, carbs, and natural glucose, faster absorption. And then the baking soda helps with pH balance and endurance. Okay, I'm gonna speed this part up because everyone knows how to use a measuring cup and tablespoon and a fancy lemon juicer. Okay, as you can see, all of the honey kind of drops to the bottom, so I'm gonna stir that up real quick. And then I recommend keeping this chilled. I'm going to take a glass right now with some ice though. And just like that, you have Liquid I.V., but it's better and cheaper. And it doesn't taste like, you know, it's packed full of sugar, because it's not. All right, if you've made it this far, thank you. And now I feel like it's my place to plug a few things. One, I mentioned I was in the Nashville heat. I wasn't just hanging out, sitting around. I have a company that builds backyard tree forts, and I have a channel where I show how I do that and give tours of the tree forts. You can check it out here. What else? Below is the affiliate link to that cool juice squeezer that I used. Subscribe and like. That's always a fun one. And do one more thing for me if you're still watching. Stay hydrated. It's important. Hopefully this is helpful. If you missed the ingredients, I put them all below. If you want more fun DIY, at-home projects, good stuff like this, subscribe. I'll post more. The more views and followers I get, the more videos I'll make. That's just kind of simple math. Until next time, see you later.